the temperature 72. It was sunny with a temperature.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Buckhead Ridge to 8 nautical miles southwest of Moorhaven, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lake Harbor, Moorhaven, Canal Point, Liberty Point, Calusa, Pahokee, Clewiston, Sandcut, and Buckhead Ridge. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
These are